Hello, welcome back. If you're new here, which you probably are because I am too, my name is Holly Oliva. Taking you guys with me on my get my shit together journey. It's fitness, weight loss when you're in your mid to late 30s, okay? And today I'm gonna give you guys I hate the word cheat meal. It's like a healthy cheat meal. We're going to make tacos. I'm gonna give you the recipe. It's gonna be delicious. We're using lower carb ingredients, lower fat ingredients, but not skimping on any of the flavor. I'm also gonna put the recipe down below. Cook it. Please tag me on Instagram because I would love to see you guys make these delicious ass tacos. If you're vegan or vegetarian and it offends you to see animal meat, please look away. We're doing some beef. I know it looks crazy because it's marinating on this flat surface. I rubbed it with olive oil and then look, these ain't authentic tacos, okay? I used 25% less sodium packet from Aldi and I used this Dash Southwest Chipotle, a little bit of lime juice, and I did the same exact thing for the chicken. I have all kinds of stuff. I'm gonna make also, I got pickled red onion and I'm going to make an avocado jalapeno cream sauce, which I'll show you, but I just want to show you really quick. I'm making it healthy by using light sour cream, and then of course there's healthy fats in avocado that we want. I'm putting lime juice, cilantro, and one jalapeno, and we're just gonna blend that up in the blender. And I got these zero carb tortillas. I'm not sure how that's gonna taste, but we're gonna go ahead and give it a try because I knew I was gonna want to eat some rice. Let's get cooking, bitch. Let's see how these no carb tortillas are. They taste like nothing. It's the most vague tortilla taste ever. I'm sure if it was bland with no lime, no pickled onions, no seasoning, it'd probably taste like cardboard. But you honestly don't miss the flavor because there's all those other flavors from the pico de gallo, the sauce, the meat that was marinated for a couple hours. So I am not mad at this. So fucking good. It was amazing. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. The food was so good. Now I'm gonna go shower, get ready for bed. I have a big doctor's appointment tomorrow morning at the VA hospital. Please, 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 if you end up making this recipe, let me know, especially the sauce. I'll see you later in the week, hopefully Thursday. Ciao, cacao.